Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you a simple trick to make collecting puppy poop much easier so you can craft handmade fertilizer faster in Heartopia. Handmade fertilizer requires puppy poop, but it's actually one of the hardest materials to farm because the puppy poops randomly and sometimes it disappears before we notice it. So this is the trick to get it. First, just feed your puppy often when its hunger bar start getting low. Just feed your puppy because a fed puppy will poop more frequently. For example, like this, and then just tap on feed. Just keep it well fed to increase the chance of getting materials. And then the second trick, just just turn on the go out mode like this. This will make your puppy follow you while you're outside doing activities like this. With this mode, with this mode, now you won't miss the moment when your puppy poops. And then next you can immediately collect it before it disappears. And okay, using these two tricks you can farm puppy poop consistently and you will get the poop like this. And with these materials you can craft handmade fertilizer much faster. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.